Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Amishavi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Design at SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about the modules in Python. Let's get started. So here the topics we are going to discuss today, that is introduction to Python modules and why it is important, how the modules are used to organize the code into reusable and manageable parts, and how we use the modules to improve our maintainability of the code, and how we can avoid repetition using modules, and more than that, how we can create and import modules in a Python program. Let's see. Basically, we have two types of modules in Python, that is built-in function and user-defined function. Let's understand what is in the modules first. Modules are like toolkits for your code. They allow us to group related functions, classes, and variables. Reusable code across different programs that keep our code cleaner and easier to manage. In short, modules means reusable, organized, and efficient code. Python modules are file containing Python code such as functions, classes, and variables as I told earlier. It helps us to logically separate large programs into smaller, focused on important parts. For example, if you have a calculator program, you might keep all the math-related functions inside a file name calc.py. Then you can reuse it and import it anywhere. Let's see a simple example. The file named calc.py defines two functions, add function and subtract function. The add function takes two arguments x and y and return their sum, that is x plus y. The subtract function takes two arguments x and y and returns the difference, that is x minus y. The import calc.py statement makes the function defined in the calc.py available in the current script. The calc.add of 10,2 access the add function within the calc module and print and pass the 10,2 as arguments and return the value 12, which is stored in the result variable. Then the value 12 is printed in the console screen. Python provides hundreds of built-in modules that saves our time. For example, here I list some built-in modules in Python. For example, square root and pi, degrees, and radians. You can import those functions from the module math using the import math. To find the square root of 25, you can just pass the statement as print of math dot square root of 25. If you pass this statement, you can get the output as 5. Then if you want to get the value of pi, you can use pi function. And if you want to convert the value of radians into degrees, you can use the function degrees. And if you want to convert the value into degree into radian, you can use the function radians. Simply, we have to import the module, math module, and from the module, you can use the functions to get the value, concerned value output. So instead of writing everything from scratch, we can use the ready-made modules directly. Modules are used everywhere because they help in build web applications, handling files and databases, performing mathematical or statistical calculations, creating games, automations, and even AI models. So the next time you import something in Python, just remember you are using modules. Here I listed some applications of modules in real world, like data science for web development and for AML and for scientific computing and for blockchain and for IoT design and for software development and for game development, desktop applications and for developing business apps. So let's play a small game. Guess the module. Can you guess which module these functions belong to? Sleep, get CWD, shuffle, and exit? Drop your answer in the comments below. Here I listed some references. You can learn from more about modules from this. For example, from NPTEL online courses and from W3 School's Python tutorial. Here I listed some applications of Python programming. Using Python, you can develop web applications, you can develop desktop GUI applications, and you can develop machine learning applications, artificial intelligence, and for cloud computing and for scientific and numerical calculations. We use the Python for cloud computing and for business applications too. So that's all for today's session on Python modules. In the next video, we will explore packages that is mainly used to how to organize multiple modules into structural directories. Thanks for watching this video till the end.